Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to make a line graph in Microsoft Excel. So how to make a line graph in Microsoft Excel? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, suppose I will create a line graph with income per year. How to enter the Insert menu for. Tap Insert Line. And then select Line. Here will come out WICA line graph. Next tap Line Graph. Right-click. And a menu of options will come out. Down and select Data. Then the Select Data Source table will come out. To add data on income, tap Add. And the Edit Series menu will come out. In the Game Series, enter the title of the income data. Then for series value, enter income data. How to tap the arrow on the series value. Block all income data. Then tap the down arrow. And tap OK. Tap OK. Here will come out a line of income data. Second, to add year data. How to. Next tap Line Graph. Right-click. Down and select Data. Then the Select Data Source table will appear. Tap Add. And the Axis Label menu will appear. In the Axis range, block all data in year. And tap OK. Tap OK. Here the year data is displayed. Next, for the year title in a line graph, tap the plus sign on the right of the line graph. Select Axis Titles. For this title to exist, please delete it. And tap the title below. And type year. Here we can add data to the line. I tap a line graph. Tap the plus sign on the right of the line graph. Select Data Labels. So that's it. Tutorial on how to create a line graph in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.